Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this. This is a foldable shower bench. These things are great because you can easily store it away whenever you're not using it, or easily just flap it out, one-handed, stays in place whenever you are going to use it then, to be able to sit on it, or you're in the shower, you want to shave your legs, you can easily do that. I mean, this thing will hold up to 330 pounds. So if you want to sit in the shower, like I said, do anything you want to do, maybe you're just even using it to clean something up, you have a nice plastic bench that will then help with any kind of mold or anything like that because it is just plastic. Then whenever you're not using it, you can easily just grab this and it folds up. But before I do that, I wanted to show you this surface that's got a nice little grip on there so that way you're not just going to slide right off. Whenever you're done, you just grab it, one-handed, fold it back up, you are ready to go. This thing's about 17.5 inches tall or so. So you can easily use this in any shower area because it folds up, nice and convenient to use for anyone's home.